Hi, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to introduce addition math vocabulary for the kids who are studying lower grades. After building a very good number sense, addition is one of the mathematical operation. It is the basic fundamental arithmetic operation in mathematics. So before going to introduce the vocabulary for the mathematical addition, first kids should understand what is an addition visually. Rather than introducing the concept abstractly, we have to introduce the concept of addition concretely. Now here is one example how to introduce the concept of addition concretely for the kindergarten students. Using the countable physical objects, it will make the addition concrete and rather than abstract. And it is much easier for the kids to understand this concept of addition. There are two sets of objects. What is a physical object here? Yes, it is a cashews. How many cashews are here? They can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here how many cashews are there? There are 5 cashews. And here is one more set. In this set how many cashews are there? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cashew nuts. So here we have 2 sets of cashew nuts. If we join these 2 sets, so if we put them together, then totally how many cashew nuts do we have here? Here already 5 cashew nuts, and after 5, what is the next number? It is 6, 7, 8. So joining 3 cashew nuts with 5 cashew nuts, totally we get 8 cashew nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we join 3 nuts with 5 nuts, then we get 8 cashew nuts. So this is one example. Here is one more example. Here we have 2 sets of almond nuts. These 2 sets have different number of almonds. So how many almond nuts are here? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 almond nuts. And here is one more set of almond nuts. How many almonds are here? 1, 2. Here we have 2 almond nuts. So if we add 2 almonds with 3 almonds, that means if we add them together, if we join them together, then totally how many almonds do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 almonds. Totally we have 5 almonds. So adding of 2 almonds to the 3 almonds can be mathematically shown by a symbol. This is the symbol of addition. It is called plus. What is this symbol? It is called plus. 3 plus 2 equals the sum of 5. This is the mathematical equation for the addition operation. Addition is the first fundamental arithmetic operation. Here is one more example. Addition of 1 rhombus to the 2 rhombus gives how many? 3. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 2 plus 1 equals to the sum of 3. Similarly, here also 2 sets of objects are there. Here the object is a token. So how many tokens are there in the first set? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tokens are there in the second set? Here we have only 1. If we add, that means if we join them, put together, then totally how many tokens do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tokens do we have? We have 5 tokens. Addition of 1 token to the 4 tokens gives how many tokens? 5 tokens. So addition of 1 to the number 4 gives 5. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. After understanding this concept of addition concretely, then we have to move to the paper and pencil work. That is the way of introducing the concept of addition abstractly. Now have a look at the addition math vocabulary. The first word is add. So what is meant by add? Add means join or put together 2 or more numbers or objects. Let us see one example. Here how many dots we have? Here we have 1, 2. 2 green dots. And here one more set. Blue color dots. 1, 2. So if we join them, these 2 sets of dots, then totally we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 dots we get here. Here is one more example. Here we have 3 green color dots and 1 orange dot and 2 blue color dots. So how many sets of objects are here? Here 1 set of green color dots, 1 set of orange color dot and one more set of indigo color dots. So if we join them all together, then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally, so we have totally 6 dots here. Add means join or put together two or more numbers or objects. So the next word in the addition math vocabulary is addend. What is an addend? Addend means the numbers added together to form the sum are called addends. The numbers which are added together. The numbers which are added together to form the sum are called addends. So let us understand this with one example. Like the same in the above example, here we have 3 sets of dots. And in the first set we have here 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 green color dots, and in the second set, how many orange color dots are there? Only 1. And in the third set, how many indigo color dots are there? 1, 2. Only we have 2 indigo color dots. So if we add them together, how many dots do we have totally? In the sequence, there are 3 green color dots and 1 orange dot and 2 more indigo color dots. So all together how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So adding together any two objects or numbers is indicated by which symbol? Yes, it is plus. If we put two numbers together, we have to introduce a symbol plus. Here also we are joining two numbers. So here also we have to keep plus. So we have to write plus symbol. What is the name of this symbol? It is plus. It is the symbol of addition. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals to how much? It is 6. So in this addition equation, all the 3 numbers are called addends. 3 is an addend. 1 is also an addend. 2 is also called an addend. What is an addend? The numbers added together to form the sum are called addends. Then what is this number 6? So the addition of 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 6. So this is the sum of all the 3 numbers. It is the resultant number of all the 3 different numbers. So the addition of all the 3 different numbers gives the sum. So what is this number? It is called sum. S-U-M, sum. The next term in the addition math vocabulary is sum. What is a sum? Sum means the result or answer we get on adding two or more numbers. So here we are adding, how many numbers here we are adding? 1, 2, 3. We are adding 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 3, 1, 2. We are adding 3 numbers. If we add these 3 numbers, what is the answer we get? So the sum is the result or addition of the 2 or more numbers is called sum. In this addition equation, here 6 is the sum. So sum is the result of the addends. Result or answer we get on adding 2 or more numbers. What is the sum? The result or answer we get on adding 2 or more numbers is called sum. So if we add 3, 1 and 2, we get how much? It is 6. So addition of the numbers 3, 1 and 2 gives 6. So this is the sum. Next we are going to see what is the equals to symbol. Now look at here. Equals to is the next word in the addition math vocabulary. What is meant by equals to? Equals to means being the same in quantity, size or value. So being the same in quantity. Let us understand this with one example. Here we have 2 sets of jetons. So in the first set, how many jetons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 jetons, and in the second set, how many jetons are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the second set also we have 4 jetons. Are these 2 sets having the same number of jetons? Yes, 4 is same as 4. 4 is equals to 4. Then the first set is equal to the second set. So the two sets have the same value or the same quantity. What is the quantity here? The number of jetons in each set is the quantity here. Look at the size. Are these four having the same size? Here each jeton has having the same size. So the two groups having the same size and same number of jetons. So if the two groups having the same size and same number of jetons, then it can be represented by a mathematical symbol called equals to. It can be represented by a mathematical symbol called equals to. Now look at this addition equation. Here also we have two sets of jetons. In the first set 1, 2, there are two jetons. And in the second group also, in the second set also we have 1, 2, two jetons. When we add two jetons to the another two jetons, then totally how many jetons do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 can be written as the sum of 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 4 can be written as the addition of 2 plus 2. So here what are the addends? The addends are 2 and 2. 2 and 2 are called addends. Then the addition or the total of the two addends is given by the sum. What is the sum here? It is the result or answer of the two addends being together. It is, what is the sum here? It is the sum means it is the result or answer of the two addends which are being added together. So the addition of 2 plus 2 is the answer, that is the sum. So here 4 is the sum. So the addition of 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Here what is the symbol? It is plus. What is this symbol? It is plus. P-L-U-S, plus. Here what is this symbol? It is equals to. It is equals to. So the addition of the two addends 2 and 2 gives the sum 4. So the addition of two numbers is indicated by which symbol? It is plus. The addition of two numbers is indicated by a symbol called plus. The resultant value or the total value of the two or more numbers can be shown by a mathematical symbol called equals to. And this total value will be written on the right hand side of the equal to symbol. On the left hand side we will write the addends and on the right hand side we will write the sum. This is RHS, right hand side. This is LHS. This is left hand side. This is the addition equation. So in this addition equation, on the left hand side, LHS means left hand side. On the left hand side, we will write addends. We will write the addends on the left hand side of the equation, and on the right hand side of the equation, we will write the sum. What is the sum? It is the addition of the two numbers. It is the total value of the addition of the two numbers, and it is written on the right hand side, RHS of the addition equation. 2 plus 2 equals to 4 is called addition equation. So what is this symbol? It is equal to. And the addition of two numbers is indicated by which symbol? It is plus. P-L-U-S, plus. So this is about the addition math vocabulary for the lower grade students.